Today we are replacing the front 6x9 speakers in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. With your pry bar, pry the small triangular panel from the front of the door panel, releasing clips and remove. With your Phillips screwdriver, remove one screw along the front middle edge of the door panel, one screw from the door open handle area, and at the armrest, at the handhold, there is a small insert in many cases at the bottom of the pocket. Remove this insert and this will allow you to access another hidden screw at the bottom of this opening. With your pry bar, start along the bottom front edge of the door panel, work your way across the bottom of this panel, up the front edge and up the back edge. With all these clips released, this will help you to remove the door panel. See our website for help with speaker removal for the dash and the car stereo and other removals as well. With all these clips released, you can pull the bottom of the door panel slightly away from the door, lift it up out of the window jamb as well as over the window door lock. This will allow you to pull the panel back for access to several connectors and linkage. The first connector has a trigger on the side of it. We're going to push this trigger in to release its lock, and this will allow you to release the connector and remove it from the door panel. We're going to move on to the other connectors on this panel. They all do have triggers at the center of these connectors. Again, these connectors are all keyed, so they go back to one specific spot. Last, we're going to locate the linkage for the door open handle. This has a red plastic tie. This tie twists or pivots to the side and will allow you to pull the end up out of it to unlock the linkage. This will allow you to remove the door panel. Remove the 4 mounting screws from the speaker. This will allow you to pull the speakers from the door. Access the connector that's on the back of this speaker. This is a connector with a push the trigger to release. This will allow you to remove this connector and replace the speaker. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our other videos, and thank you for watching.